Welcome to a calmer internet. I honestly don't know what to expect. I compared Opera GX to Brave Browser. Let's see how this one compares. First we click beta is now available. Then it should take us to this page. We just click download for Windows or whatever operating system you have. I just noticed something. Why does it have Firefox icon? Apparently it's made by an open source browser engine made by Mozilla. That make a lot of sense. Okay, let's proceed with the installation, shall we? We just click next. I'm gonna pick standard for now. Next, then you set the file location of this installation. Then you click install. Okay, so we just opened the browser. Now we have to set as primary browser. Well, not for now. Okay, so it has few features. It shows me here 4 features, but there is more features I'm gonna show you in a minute. Okay, so the first feature it tells us is the workspaces. As you can see, there's small icons here. I just made up. You can make more, like a lot more, I'm sure. There's infinite amount. Basically separates few tabs, so you can keep your work organized, I think. Now there's this feature called compact mode. You just click on this icon here and like you're gonna see the whole screen of the tab, which is very nice. And then there's this feature called glance. It's a really nice feature. So you click on glance, so it just gives you the information you need. You just read it a little bit and then you click on the X. And then there is split view. We have a tab here, for example, we just drag it here and you have a split view. Okay, there's also this feature called pin bars or pin tabs. And when you right click on something, you click on pin tab and it goes up there. And it's gonna stay there even if you close it, I think. You can also create folders, which I've seen in other browsers, so it's nothing new. This is the URL bar. I'm pretty sure you can customize this, but yeah, it's here. This is where it is by default. Okay, so you click on these 3 dots and then you go to settings, and then this is what it shows you. There's few settings here, for example, keyboard shortcuts, which can be useful to save time. Sync is also very important if you want to import your saved websites from another browser. Oh, by the way, Zen Browser have mods, which I've seen in Opera GX, for example. I think they add something nice to the browser too, if they actually work. Okay, so overall, this is what I reviewed, and it doesn't have an ad blocker, I noticed, like many other browsers. But I think the browser is pretty decent, and on top of that I can add that it doesn't take so much memory, I think, compared to other browser, but honestly we have to test that out later. But for now I have to say this is a pretty decent browser. You just have to get used to it, and I'm pretty sure if you like it you're gonna use it as your default. Me personally, I'm thinking if I like it more and more, I will use it too. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to see a comparison of Opera GX and Brave Browser, for example, you can check out that too in my channel. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see ya in the next one.